It is not a bird, nor a conventional aeroplane. It is a shape, a flying wing, more like a creature from science fiction than a piece of military hardware. On the ground, sophisticated radar arrays scan the heavens, their operators watching green screens for any sign of an intruder. But their screens remain stubbornly, unnervingly blank. The ghost is already here. This is the B-2 Spirit, and its job is to go where others cannot, to arrive completely unannounced. Inside the cockpit, two pilots sit side by side, their faces illuminated by the soft glow of their instrument panels. They have been flying for over 20 hours, crossing oceans and continents without ever landing. They are tired, but their focus is absolute. Their target is a heavily fortified command bunker, buried deep underground and protected by the most advanced air defense systems a nation can buy. To any other aircraft, this would be a suicide mission. For the B-2, it is just another day at the office, a task it was quite literally designed to perform. The aircraft glides silently towards its destination. There is no dramatic high-speed dive. There is no thundering roar of engines pushed to their limit. The B-2 simply arrives, a phantom slipping through the net. The pilots confirm their coordinates, the bomb bay doors open smoothly on the underside of the aircraft, and two massive precision-guided munitions are released. They fall away into the darkness below, destined for a target that has no idea it is about to be obliterated. The doors close again, and the B-2 turns, beginning its long, equally silent journey back home. The mission is a success. By the time the sun rises and the world learns of the devastatingly precise strike, the B-2 will be thousands of miles away, soaring over an ocean. The enemy will be left confused, wondering how their impenetrable defenses were so easily bypassed. They will search for wreckage, for any clue as to what happened, but they will find nothing. They were not attacked by an army, they were visited by a ghost. And that is the entire point of the B-2 Spirit, to project power without ever truly being seen, changing the rules of conflict itself. So, how does a machine that weighs 71,000 kilograms and has a wingspan wider than a professional football pitch become invisible? The answer is not one single trick, but a collection of very clever ideas working together. The first and most obvious is its shape. Look at a B-2. There are no sharp vertical edges. There is no tail fin, it's just one smooth, flowing shape called a flying wing. When radar waves from a ground station hit a normal airplane, its flat sides and tail act like mirrors, bouncing the signal straight back to the receiver, announcing its presence. The B-2's curved surfaces are designed to do the opposite. They scatter the radar waves away in all directions like a crooked mirror, leaving only a minuscule signal to return to the source. But the shape is only part of the story. The B-2 is also coated in a special top-secret material. This is a radar-absorbent paint and skin that acts like a sponge for radio waves. Instead of bouncing off, the radar energy is absorbed by the material and converted into a tiny amount of heat, which then harmlessly dissipates. This means that even the small amount of radar energy that isn't scattered by the shape gets soaked up before it can return to the enemy's screen. The result is a radar signature that is astonishingly small. Some have said it's about the size of a large bird, or even a bumblebee, making it almost impossible to distinguish from background noise. Then there are the engines. A jet engine is fundamentally a very hot, very noisy thing, two qualities that make an aircraft easy to detect. The B-2's four engines are buried deep inside the wing. They don't hang underneath in pods like on a passenger jet. This hides them from heat-seeking missiles and ground-based infrared detectors. The hot exhaust fumes are not just vented out of the back, they are first cooled and then mixed with cold air before being channeled out over the top surface of the wing through special tiled vents. This makes the B-2's heat signature incredibly faint from below, the direction from which it is most likely to be tracked. Finally, the B-2 is designed to fly very high and very slow when it needs to be at its most stealthy. It's a subsonic aircraft, meaning it doesn't break the sound barrier. This prevents it from creating a sonic boom that could give away its position. Everything about its design, from its electronic warfare systems that can jam enemy signals to the trailless contrails it leaves at high altitude, is optimized for one single purpose: to remain undetected. It is a masterpiece of what is known as low-observable technology, a flying collection of secrets designed to keep it hidden in plain sight. Being invisible is one thing, but it's not much use if you can't get to where you need to go. This is where the B-2's second remarkable capability comes into play: its incredible range. The B-2 can fly more than 6,000 nautical miles on a single tank of fuel. That is like flying from London to Los Angeles without stopping. But with aerial refueling, its range becomes effectively unlimited. A tanker aircraft can meet the B-2 mid-flight, extend a boom, and top up its fuel tanks, allowing it to stay airborne for days at a time. The longest recorded B-2 mission lasted a staggering 44.3 hours, a non-stop flight from its home base in Missouri to Afghanistan and back. These marathon missions are incredibly demanding for the two pilots. The cockpit is surprisingly cramped, with no room to stand up. For these long-haul flights, there is a small space behind the ejection seats, just big enough for one person to lie down on a camp bed. There is also a basic toilet and a small oven for heating meals. Pilots operate in shifts, with one flying the aircraft while the other tries to rest, eat, or complete mission planning. They are completely isolated from the outside world for nearly 2 days, enclosed in their small bubble as they pilot one of the most powerful weapons on Earth across the globe. The whole point of this endurance is to deliver a massive payload to any point on the planet without needing to rely on forward bases in friendly countries. The B-2's 2 internal weapons bays can carry up to 40,000 pounds of ordnance. This can be a huge number of conventional bombs, like 8,500-pound GPS-guided bombs, each capable of hitting a separate target. Or it can carry 16 enormous 2,000-pound bunker-busting bombs. Crucially, the B-2 is also a core part of America's nuclear deterrent, capable of carrying nuclear weapons. This flexibility allows it to adapt to almost any mission imaginable. This combination of stealth, range, and payload is what makes the B-2 a unique strategic asset. It means the United States can hold any target at risk, anywhere in the world, at any time, without warning. This is a powerful deterrent. Potential adversaries know that no matter how strong their defenses are, they are never completely safe. The B-2 demonstrated this in conflicts over Kosovo, Afghanistan, Iraq, and Libya, often flying from its home base in the US, striking its targets, and returning without ever being successfully tracked or engaged. It is a symbol of global reach and technological supremacy. The B-2 Spirit is an aircraft born of the Cold War, designed to penetrate the dense air defenses of the Soviet Union. But its relevance has long outlasted its original purpose. With only 21 ever built, one was lost in a crash in 2008. The B-2 fleet is an incredibly exclusive and expensive club. Each aircraft cost over $2 billion when development costs are included, making it the most expensive airplane ever made. This small fleet has given the United States an asymmetric advantage for decades, a capability that no other country has been able to replicate. It has shaped military strategy, proving that sometimes the most effective power is the power that is never seen. However, technology never stands still. The B-2 has been in service since the 1990s and the world has changed. Potential adversaries have spent decades studying its capabilities and developing more sophisticated radar systems and counter-stealth technologies designed specifically to detect it. While regular upgrades have kept the B-2 effective, maintaining such a complex and aging aircraft is becoming increasingly difficult and costly. The special radar-absorbent skin, for instance, requires climate-controlled hangars and is notoriously maintenance-intensive. The time has come to look towards the future of stealth bombing. That future has a name, the B-21 Raider. Revealed to the public in late 2022, the B-21 looks strikingly similar to the B-2. It uses the same flying wing design because that shape is still the best one for stealth. However, the B-21 is being built with 30 years of technological advancement. It will incorporate newer, more durable stealth materials that require less maintenance, more advanced computing and networking capabilities, and it is being designed from the ground up to be more adaptable for future upgrades. It will be able to perform a wider range of missions, including intelligence gathering and acting as a command node for other systems. The plan is to build at least 100 B-21 Raiders, creating a much larger and more sustainable stealth bomber force. As the B-21S enters service over the next decade, the venerable B-2 Spirits will be gradually retired. Its legacy, however, is secure. The B-2 was a revolutionary machine that proved the concept of a long-range, penetrating stealth bomber. It changed the way nations think about air power and defense. The ghost that has haunted the world's skies for over 3 decades will eventually fade away, but its successor, the B-21, will be ready to take its place, ensuring that the capability to strike anywhere unseen remains for generations to come.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.